If you're considering Narai Hospitality Management and wondering whether it's the right choice for your business, you're in the right place. There are 7 key things you need to know before making a decision that could make or break your operations. Stay with me to the end, as I'll share insights that will help you make an informed choice. And I'll even show you where to get the best offer for this software, with a chance to try it completely free. First off, let's talk about the core value Narai brings to the table. Unlike many of its competitors, Narai focuses on simplifying hospitality management while offering robust features that typically come with high-end software, but at a much more accessible price point. The platform is designed to streamline operations, from booking to guest management and invoicing, giving businesses the tools they need to scale efficiently. So, if you've been hesitant about investing in a comprehensive hospitality solution, Narai might just be the one you're looking for. Next thing you should know is how user-friendly it is. You don't have to be a tech expert to get up and running with Narai. Many competing software options require long onboarding times and steep learning curves, but Narai prioritizes ease of use. It's intuitive, making it simple for staff at all levels to pick it up quickly. Whether you're managing a boutique hotel or a larger chain, this simplicity can save your team valuable time every single day. The third thing is Narai's impressive integration capabilities. A lot of hospitality software fails to communicate well with other platforms, but not Narai. It integrates seamlessly with various booking engines, payment processors, and even CRM systems, which is something you'll need if you plan on offering your guests a truly personalized experience. The ability to sync data in real time across all platforms ensures everything is up to date without requiring constant manual updates, which can be a huge pain for your staff. The fourth thing to consider is how well Narai handles analytics. In today's competitive hospitality market, data is everything. Narai provides comprehensive reporting tools that give you actionable insights into your business operations. From occupancy rates to revenue performance, you'll have all the data you need to make better, data-driven decisions that will help you grow. While many competitors offer basic analytics, Narai goes above and beyond, giving you deeper insights that can help optimize your pricing, staffing, and marketing strategies. The fifth thing worth noting is their customer support. While some software companies leave you high and dry when you run into an issue, Narai offers reliable support with quick response times. Whether you need technical assistance or just some guidance on optimizing your use of the platform, their team is there to help. Customer support is a critical aspect of any software, and Narai delivers a high level of service that is often lacking with other competitors in the space. Next, let's talk about scalability. Narai Hospitality Management isn't just for small hotels or single location businesses. Whether you're running a small guest house or managing a large chain of properties, Narai can scale with your needs. Competitors may require you to purchase additional licenses or features as you expand, but Narai offers flexibility, ensuring that you're only paying for what you actually need. It grows with you, so you can avoid unnecessary expenses as your business evolves. The last thing you need to know is that Narai offers an exceptional free trial. A lot of hospitality software out there hooks you with promises but doesn't allow you to truly test everything before committing. With Narai, you can try it for free from the first link below. You'll get full access to the software, allowing you to explore its features, integrations, and overall functionality. This is a rare opportunity to experience the platform firsthand without any risk. If you like what you see, you can jump into the full version with some exclusive benefits. To recap, Narai Hospitality Management offers simplicity, seamless integrations, powerful analytics, and excellent customer support. It scales with your business and gives you a chance to try it risk-free. If you're considering hospitality management software, Narai stands out as a strong contender. If you want to try Narai Hospitality Management, don't wait. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and unlock exclusive benefits.